In this session, we are going to study integration by parts. Okay. Now, integration by parts means you will have two functions in the question, like x sin x, x e power x, x cube cos x, log x sin x, something like that, or sin inverse x into x, something like that. Two functions will be there. So the formula goes like this: first function, second function, dx. There will be two functions here. So I am writing one as 1, the other one as 2. I will teach you how to choose 1 and 2. This is same as first function into integration of second function minus integral derivative of first function into integration of second function dx. Okay. Now listen very carefully. When you look at the formula, wherever second function is there, you have an integration attached to it. Can you see that? Yeah. Whenever you see first function, you have derivative attached to it. Okay. So please remember that clearly. So I am going to teach you how to choose the first function and second function. There are various methods of doing this. Different people must be teaching in their style in different ways. But if you like this way, you just follow it, because in this way it is easy to choose the first function and second function of all the types. Okay. Now I am going to do an example for you. X into sin x into dx. Listen very carefully. What are the two functions here? One is x, one is sin x. Do you know the derivative of sin x? Yes, which is minus cos x. Which is cos x. You know the integration of sin x? Yes, which is negative cos x. And you know the derivative of x, which is 1. You know the integration of x? Yes, which is x square by 2. So for both the functions, you know integration as well as differentiation. Okay. When you do the derivative of x, what happens? It becomes 1. So it gets reduced. So first of all, if you have a choice, like you know the integration and the derivative of both the function, please choose the function which reduces as function 1, if at all it is reducing. So x is chosen as the first function and sin x is chosen as the second function, because you look at when I do, what is the answer? 1 into, what is 1? X. Integration of 2. Okay, integral 2 dx is there, right? What is integration of sin x? Minus cos x. Minus integral d by dx of first function. What is d by dx of x? Because your first function is x. D by dx of x is 1 into integration of second function. Integration of sin x is minus cos x dx. So every time don't do everything inside the formula. Do it outside and keep it ready. Okay. If you are not able to do like this in one step, I'll explain to you again. You keep first function as x. You keep second function as sin x. Okay. So I need to know d by dx of first function, which is 1. Keep it ready. What is integral of second function? Is negative cos x. Do not put plus c, because plus c is the integration constant which we will add it in the last step. Okay. So if you are not confident of doing at one step, you just do like this. Keep it ready and just substitute it in the formula. See, first function, which is x. Integration of second function minus cos x. Minus integral derivative of first function and integration of second function. Just you need to substitute. That's all. This you can do mentally because the functions are small here. If you want, you can write it in the side also. Okay. So this is nothing but negative x cos x, and this minus and this minus becomes this minus part, and this minus becomes plus for you. Integral cos x dx, because 1 into cos x is cos x. So this is x cos x plus what is integration of cos x? Sin x, and finally one integration constant, which is c. So just you need to choose correctly and apply it in the formula. What happens if you choose wrongly? If you had chosen x as the second function, your integral second function becomes x square by 2. So the question becomes bigger for you now. Okay, sin x and cos x are same level of trigonometric function. They are both in the same level, not increasing nor decreasing. So the choosing is very, very important in integration by parts. Okay, suppose we'll do one or two easy questions, then we move on to tougher ones. Do you understand here? I know integration also, differentiation also for both the functions. Okay, so which is reducing? Yes, x square becomes 2x. So this is reducing and e power x remains the same. So that becomes the second function. So let us do it in one step. First function into integration of second function. Okay, first function copied as it is. Integration of second function is e power x, integration is e power x minus integral derivative of first function. What is derivative of x square? 2x. You are right. And integration of second function. What is integration of e power x? E power x dx. Okay. Now, this can be written as x square e power x minus 2 is outside the integral now, x e power x dx. In the previous question, after you did the first step, you had only one function in the integration. So you finished it. But now again I have two functions here. Okay, one is x and one is e power x. So I need to do the step once again. So x is chosen as the first function because it reduces, and I know integration and derivative of both the functions. That is very important. That time only we choose. So this is first term I copy as it is, x square e power x minus 2, open a bracket. Okay, now I am going to apply formula for x e power x. Okay, so what is the first function, second function I have chosen? So I am going to write first function x. Integration of e power x is e power x. So first function into integration of second function minus integral differentiation of first function. What is differentiation of x? 1. Into integration of second function. What is integration of e power x? E power x dx. Okay. Now look, this is x square e power x minus 2x e power x minus into minus plus 2 is there, don't forget, and e power x dx integration is going to be e power x only. Finally 1 plus c. Okay, so sometimes you may have to do the problem in 2 steps. Okay, one more question for you, simple one. X log x dx. Now look at the functions. You know integration and derivative of x. Perfect. And for log x, do you know the integration? No. So when you do not know the integration, you cannot choose it as second function simply because you will not be able to write integral of second function. So we are not choosers here. We are supposed to take log x as 1 and x as 2. So please remember, when you know integration and differentiation of both of them only, you choose wisely. If you don't know the integration of one of the functions, obviously that will go as first function. No other choice for you. So let me apply the formula. First function into integration of second function. First function log x copied as it is, and integration of x is x square by 2 minus integral differentiation of first function. What is derivative of log x? 1 over x into integration of second function. What is integration of x? X square divided by 2 dx. Okay, be very careful. So this one time x will get cancelled, and please remember log x is there, x square by 2, you are supposed to write it in the front because it is not at all related to log x. Okay, and when you are writing the answer, we have the convention of writing the modulus. Okay, so x square by 2 into log mod x minus, here I have 1 over 2 into integral x dx. So this is x square by 2 log of mod x minus half into, what is integral of x? Integration of x is x square divided by 2. Okay. So this is x square by 2 plus c. So what did you learn in this? Integration by parts is done using the formula, and you learned how to choose first function and second function. So when you know the integration and the derivative of the function, when you know the integration and the differentiation of both the functions, you will choose it wisely. Hope it is clear for you.